Hi, have you been facing challenges when it comes to recharging your Poppo Live account? If you're saying yes, then this is definitely a video because I will be revealing to you the platform that recharges Poppo Live accounts. All you will need to do is you visit this site. Okay, so if you can grasp that, what I'll do is I will actually plant the link in the description section so that you simply click it and you find yourself on the platform. And I'll be showing you in the next sections of the video how to recharge from the platform. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Let's get grinding. All you need to do is you click the link in the description section and then you're gonna land on this page. So let me show you. So when you land on this page, what you do is first of all you sign up. So you have to click here where trade, sign up to get coupons, and you will land on this page. So here there are two options. There is sign in and sign up. Go by sign up since it's your first time of visiting this site. So on top you need to punch in your email address and then you punch in the verification code. So after you punch in the email address, click send so that a code will be sent to your email inbox. Once it's sent, enter it there, then punch in your name and then create the password which you need to repeat. Thereafter you scroll down, then make sure that you check in this box here and then click register. So that's how we'll roll. So let's do that. Let me do that when you're not looking. And after you punch in the credentials, this will load up. So as you can see, all the banners are from Poppo Live. Okay, so now what you need to do is let's check on the the packages which are available here. So here they're saying if you want to buy 100,000 coins, you only need to spend $11.08. If you want 178,000 coins, all you need is $19.39. Okay, then if you want 297,000 coins, all you need is $32.62. So now how do you go about the process of purchasing coins from here? All you need is to take your pick. You choose the package that you want to go by. So let's check on those which are at the bottom. So we have 200,000, we have $22. Okay, all right, so we go by $11, right? $11. We go by the first package, so we click buy. So here all you need to do here is to go to your Poppo Live account. You log on to the Poppo Live app, then you get your ID, and after you get your ID you simply punch it here and then punch in the phone number, the one that you registered with Poppo Live, and then you indicate here how many packages do you want to, so that you spend $22.16, or it's just one package. Yeah, then you hit confirm, and then here you need to make sure that you check in. Here you say you check in this box indicating that you've read and agreed to the privacy policy, and then you hit pay, and the coins will actually be sent right away in no time. If you're looking to save money and get your coins instantly without any stress, this is the only place you need to go. Ready to stop overpaying? Click the link down in the video description and get your cheap Poppo Live coins now. It's the official, easiest and cheapest way to recharge. Let me know in the comments what you're going to buy with all the money you save. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.